everybody, welcome back. So now we're going to look at just a few general rules about article use. We're going to start with or an, which is the indefinite article. And the first question is, when do we use them? Well, we use when the first sound of the next word is a consonant. For example, a river, or a giant ant. But look at this last one. A European author. And the letter is E, but the sound is Y. And Y, when it begins a word, acts like a consonant. So here we use a. When the first sound of the next word is a vowel, now we use an, A-N. For example, an idea, or an exciting movie, or an honest politician. And again, the letter here is not a vowel, it's a consonant, it's H. But the sound, what we hear is honest. So the sound is a vowel. These are sometimes a little difficult and just take some practice. The next thing, we use a when we are identifying a noun. So for example, I would say, I'm a teacher. We might say, he has a motorcycle. We are identifying what it is he has. So, a motorcycle. We use it to identify. We also use the article a or an when we're making general statements about people, or, what is more common, professions or types of people. For example, a general statement, a student should do homework. Absolutely. Or another general statement, a teacher is supposed to be nice. Of course. When we're making a general statement about these types of workers or these types of people, we start with a. Now, if we start a sentence with some, it's different. When we say some, it means part of that group, not all. So for example, we might say, some movies cost a lot of money. And you'll see here we use plural count nouns. Some fruits are very delicious. Okay. Finally, we're going to look at two things with the. And this is when we can use the first time we talk about a noun. In the last video, we said when it's unique, when it's special, when there's only one. There are two more rules. And the first is we can use the if the context makes it clear what we're talking about. In my example here, you might see student A says, who's that weird guy? Student B would say, that's the grammar teacher. Because both of these students are sitting in class. So you don't have to say that's a grammar teacher and the teacher teaches this class. We can just say that's the grammar teacher because he is coming or she is coming into the classroom. The context makes it clear. The other one is we can use the right away if we use identifying adjectives. So that might be something like a superlative adjective, the best, the fastest, the craziest. We also can use it when we're using numbers. The first, the second. So here I might say he is the best student I've ever taught. Okay, so those are some rules about articles. I hope it helps, and I'll see you in class.